Yes, Raktim, good evening. Those who have joined, please comment. Yes, Nishant, good evening. You all can move to page number 63. Page number 63, example number 1. Here it is said, example 1, add number 1, the rational numbers are 7 by 8 and minus 5 by 8. So now what the question wants you to add the rational number. Board is clear? So you will write 7 by 8 plus minus 5 by 8. Since this is a negative rational number, so two sign cannot be written together, so plus, then we have used the bracket. Okay, so now in the next step you have to open the bracket, plus minus minus 5 by 8. Now will you go for LCM? Yes, Nibir, good evening. No, why? Because denominator is same, so 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so 2 by 8, 2 one time, 2 4 time, which is equal to 1 by 4. Got it right, all of you? Next is number 2, 4 by minus 5 and 3 by 5. So we have to add, so 4 by minus 5 plus 3 by 5. So denominator should not be negative. So it will be minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So LCM will be 5 minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 5. Since greater number is 4, plus minus minus koriba, 4 minus 3 is 1. Greater number is 4 having minus sign. So answer is minus 1. Got it right, all of you? Any doubt? Yes, Smriti, good evening. Let's move to example number 2 then. Example 2. Example 2 also the question is same. We have to add here. Whenever the denominator are same, you can add them directly. But if the denominator are different, you have to go with LCM. Okay. So example number 2 says add number 1, What is the rational number? Minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. So minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. You can see denominator are different, so we cannot add them directly. So now LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So both the denominator should be what? 20. So 5 or logot 4 multiply koribo lagibo, and so is minus 2. 3, 4 into 5, so 3 into 5. Minus 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20. So LCM is 20 minus 8 plus 15. Plus minus is minus, we all know. Okay, 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 by 20, 15 is greater, having plus sign, so plus 7 by 20. Got it right, all of you? Yes, Payal, good evening. Payal, page number 64. Example number 2, question number 2 we will do now. 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12. So now we have to add them, so it will be 5 by 8 plus minus 11 by 12. So once bracket shall open and it will be plus minus minus 11 by 12. Now the denominator are different, so we have to take the LCM. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So into 3, into 3, 12, into 2, into 2. So LCM is 24. So denominator will be 24. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 minus 22. Plus minus is minus, 22 minus 15 will give you 7, and 22 is greater. We have to see the greater number also. 22 is greater, having minus sign, so minus 20, minus 7 by 24. Got it right, all of you? Any doubt? Nishant, Raptim, Nibir, Smriti, Payal? Okay. Yes, Shankar, good evening. Okay. Let's see number 3 then. 7 by minus 18 plus 5 by minus 12 plus minus 9 by minus 16. Now, denominator shall be positive, so minus is taken with the numerator. Minus 7 by 18 plus minus minus 5 by 12, and minus minus will be reduced and it will become plus 9 by 16. Got it right, all of you? Now, you can see denominator are different and little larger number. So, directly hमें LCM में उलिया लो. 2 table of 9 times, 6 times, 8 times. Again in the table of 2, 9 won't be same, 3 times, 4 times. In the table of 3, 3 times, 1 times, 4 times. So LCM will be what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 4 is 36, 36 into 4 will be 144. Okay, so now all the denominators should be what? Should be converted into 144. So 18 or logot kiman multiply koribo lagibo. 18 into 8 is 144. So we have multiplied it. 12 into 12 is 144, so 5 into 12 and 12 into 12. 16 into 9 will give you 144, so 9 into 9. So now we have the same denominator, that is 144, okay? And 7 8 times 56 plus minus minus 12 into 5 is 60 plus minus minus, and 9 into 9 is 81. Okay, now minus and minus we know it will be added. So 6 plus 0 is 6 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So greater number is 60 having minus sign. So minus 116 plus 81 divided by 144. 6 minus 1 is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3, minus, because greater number is this, minus 35 by 144. Okay, it will be seen in the table of 2 and 3. Okay, and it will be seen in the table of 7 and 5. So reduce koribo noari mami. Okay, got it right? Okay, we all can move to example page number 65, example number 3. So now question says that Smriti, Raktim, Nishant, Nibir, Payal and Shankar, do you have any doubt, anyone? Okay. So question number 3, example number 3 says, express each of the following rational numbers as a sum of integral and a rational number. Okay. So whenever there will be such question, in that case the rational number will have numerator greater and denominator smaller. Okay. So तुम्हें ये तो की करिबा mix बनाई लोगा केनेके 7 shall divide 39, 7 5 times 35 remains 4. So it will be what? 5 will be the whole part, remainder becomes the numerator, and denominator is always the same. So now what can I write? 5 plus 4 by 7. Fractional part beleg, aru whole part beleg. This is integral part and this is rational number. Okay. So 8 to 4 by 7 is a rational number. This is the whole number. That is the integral part. বুজি পাইছা জাস্ট মিক্সড ফ্র্যাকশন বনাই দিবা আৰু বেলেগ বেলেগ কৰি দিবা বাট মাইনাস থাকিলে অলপ কেয়ারফুল হৈ পেলাই কৰিবা ওকে লেটস সি নাম্বার 2 দেন সো মাইনাস থাকিলে কেনেকৈ কৰিবা নাও দিস ইজ দ্য কোৱেশ্চন वेयर वी हैव अ नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर सो हियर 5 shall divide 30 5 shall divide 37 5 7 times 35 remains 2 so now denominator shall always be the same, remainder becomes the whole numerator, and denominator quotient will become the whole part. This was negative, so it will be minus of this, so it will be what? Minus 7 plus minus 2 by 3 2 by 5, sorry, minus দুটাৰ লগতে থাকিব because the whole rational number was negative, so minus whole part লগতো আহিব আৰু fractional part, that is rational number লগতো লিখিব লাগিব বুজি পাইছা সবে got it right all of you let's see number 3 61 by minus 8 ami denominator should not be negative in case of standard form so Denominator I have made positive 8 and numerator minus 61. Now let us divide. 61 will be divided by 8. 8 7 times. 56 remains 5. So denominator will never change. Remainder will become the numerator and quotient will become the whole part and minus of this one. So it will be minus 7 plus minus 5 by 8 because minus will be with both the integral part and the rational number. Anyone, any doubt here? Any doubt with this question here? Okay, let's move to example number 4 then. The question says subtract 7 by 8 from 5 by 12. So 7 by 8 should be subtracted from this. So 8 tour pora yak minus koribo lage. So how will you represent it? You will write it like this: 5 by 12 minus 7 by 8. This is your correct one. If you write 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12 মানে তুমি 7 by 8 or পড়া ইয়াক minus কৰিছা কিন্তু কি কৈছে 7 by 8 of minus করা কৰ পৰা 5 by 12 or পৰা. So 5 by 12 will be written before and 7 by 8 will be written after. Okay. Now, denominator are two different. So, LCM of 12 and 7, 8, sorry, 12 and 8 is 24. 12 2 times 24, 8 3 times 24. So, 8 or log 3 multiply korim, so 7 into 3, 12 into 2, so 5 into 2. 10 minus 20, 10 by 24 minus 21, sorry, let us take the whole denominator as 24. It will be 10 minus 21, that is 21 minus 10 is 11 by 24. Now sign to sabo lagibo. So, and for that we have to see the larger number, that is larger number is 21 and has minus sign, so it is minus 11 by 24. Got it everyone? Okay, let's see number 2 then. Minus 4 by 9 from minus 7 by 18. So minus 7 by 18 will be written first and minus 4 by 9. Okay. So now once bracket shall open, so minus or minus के होगा plus हो जाएगा, and you can see 9 and 18 denominator is 18 here and it is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So LCM will be what? 18 only. So 9 into 2 korilu and here 8 into 4 into 2. So LCM became 18 minus 7. 4 into 2 is plus 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 is greater number having plus sign, so answer will be positive. So positive 1 by 18. Got it right, all of you? Any doubt? Okay, let's see number 3 then. Number 3, subtract 11 by minus 15 from minus 13 by 20. So minus 13 by 20 will be written first and minus. Okay, now we shall open the bracket and minus will become plus. Okay, so it will become 11 by 15. Now LCM of 15 and 20 is what? 15 into 4 is 60 and 20 into 4 is 20, sorry, 20 into 3 is 60. So here 20 into 3 minus 13 into 3. So LCM will be 60 minus 39 plus 44. 44 minus 39 will be 5, plus minus minus 44 is greater and having plus sign, so will be plus 5 by 60. Now you can see 5 and 60 can be reduced. 5 one time, 5 12 times. So 1 by 12 is your answer. Whenever you can reduce the rational number, try to reduce it and write it in the standard form. Got it, everyone? Smriti, are you there? Okay. Let's move to example number 5. Two more examples we will do, and with this our examples before the exercise will be over. Okay, in the next class we shall start the exercise and we'll do it. So example number 5 says what should be added to minus 7 by 12. Minus 7 by 7 12 will over key add koriba, so that you get what? 9 by 16. Minus 7 by 12 will over key add koriba, so that you get what? 9 by 16. So this side this is getting added, the other side it will be subtracted, or you can see this side this is negative, other side लोगों को क्या हो जाएगा positive हो जाएगा. So the unknown number will be equal to what? Minus 7 by 16 minus 7 by 12. Is it or not? Here it is getting added, the other side it will be what? Subtracted, and it will be equal to what? 9 by 16 minus minus bracket खुली ले plus हो जाएगा. So this is the note of your solution. Okay, finally you have to note it down. Okay, বুজি পাইছা এইটো কেনেকে কৰিব লাগে, আৰু যদি দিগদাৰ হয় x লৈ পেলাই সলভ কৰি ল'বা. This is the note. You can go like this: let the number to be added be x. So that will be little easier, I feel. That the number, this is written while. Okay, so we shall write let the number to be added be x. Therefore, minus 7 by 12 plus x is equal to 9 by 16. This side this is minus, so other side it will be what? Plus only, so 9 by 16 plus 7 by 12. Now LCM of 12 and 16 will be what? 12 into 2 is 20, 16 into 2 is 32, 12 or table of 32 na hai, 16 into 3 is 48, 12 into 4 is 48. So LCM will be what? 48 only. 16 into 3, 9 into 3, plus 12 into 4, 7 into 4, which implies x is equal to 27. Here LCM will be 48, 7 4 times 28, which implies x is equal to 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1, 55 by 48, which implies x is equal to 1, 7 by 48. Got it, all of you? You can leave it like this or you can make it into mixed fraction. Therefore, the required number to be added, therefore, you can write the number to be added is equal to 1, 7 by 48. Any doubt with this example? Is there any doubt? Okay, let's move to example 6 then. Example 6 says that what should be subtracted from minus 7 by 8 so as to get 5 by 12. So we don't know what should be subtracted, therefore we will write let the number to be subtracted be x. Let the number to be subtracted be x. So therefore it will be what? From 7 by 8, what should be subtracted? I don't know. So and we have assumed it to be as x, and it becomes so that it becomes 5 by 12. Now you can see here it is minus x. If I will take first तुम्हारे लोग x को लो जावा. Okay. So minus 7 by 8 is equal to 5 by 7 plus x. Now x is positive this side. Now you take minus 5 by 12 this side. So if you a to लो जावा, you will get minus x on this side. Is it or not? हेटू करेक्ट होगा लास्ट और की करबा खाली माइनस साइन टू शिफ्ट করে দিবা তেতিয়া करेक्ट आंसर करेक्ट আহি যাব so x is equal to minus 7 by 8 this side it is positive if you will take this side it will become what minus 5 by 12 is it or not any doubt here from this step to this step any doubt from here to here LCM of 8 and 12 will be what 8 3 times 24 12 2 times 24 so 8 into 3 minus 7 into 3 12 into 2 so 5 into 2 so which implies LCM is 24 minus 21 minus 10 which implies x is equal to minus 31 by 24 which is your required LCM the required number therefore the number to be subtracted is equal to minus 31 by 24 okay any doubt in this with this sum okay let's move to the last example example number 7 the question says simplify 8 by minus 15 plus 7 by 20 minus 11 by 35 plus 1 by 5. So first of all, if there is any combination of sign, याचा ऐसा जे minus minus असे, so this will combine and will become plus. Denominator and negative असे, so it will become, it should be positive, isn't it not? So second step of हेगला काम करिबा. Minus 8 by positive 15, 7 by 20, minus minus plus 11 by 35 plus 1 by 5. Now let us find the LCM. So 15, 20, 35 and 5. It will all move by, go with the table of 5. 5 3 times, 4 times, 7 times, 1 time. So now nothing remains. So 5 into 3 into 4 into 7. 5 into 4 is 20. 20 into 21 is 420. So 420 is your LCM. So we'll write LCM of 15, comma 20, comma 35 and 5 is equal to 420. So now all the denominator should be what? 420. 5 into 3 is 15, so bachile ki maan 4 into 8. 4 into 8, sorry, 4 into 7 is 28. So 15 into 28, 8 into 28 plus 20 into 21 kodile 420 pam, so 7 into 21 plus 11 by 35, 35 into 12, because 7 into 5 is 35, 3 into 4 is 12. So into 12, 11 into 12 plus 1 by 5. 5 or লগত কি multiply কৰিব লাগিব 28, 84. Okay, so it will be 1 into 84. Now LCM is what? 420. Now 8 into 8 is 64, carry 6, 16 and 2, 6, 22. So 200 minus 222. 7 into 1 is 7 and 7 into 2 is 14. Just multiply Korea. So normally that all can be done by you also. 147. 11 into 12 is 132 and 1 into 84 is. Now you can see a tinita positive number ase. So they will be added. Numbers with the same sign should be added or not. So what you will do? 147, 132 plus 84. 6, 6 and 13 carry 1. 8 and 3, 11, 11, 1, 12, 12 and 4 is 16, carry 1. And 3, 2 and 1, 3. So minus 224 plus 363 by 420. Okay. Now plus minus will be what? Minus. So 224 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is not possible. 13 minus 4 is 9. And here 5 minus 2 is 3 and 1 minus 2 is 1. So we got 139. Or 139 or sign ki hobo? It will be positive because 363 is positive. So answer is 139 by 420. Okay. Is there any doubt with this? If you have, please comment so that I can explain you again. Others, those who have doubt, please comment. Okay. File written. Okay, then thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Yes, welcome everyone. Okay. इतना मत करो।